Now, most people don't get AI until they see it in action. You might have played around with ChatGPT, but have you had the AI dream yet? You know, just like Po had the Noodle dream in Kung Fu Panda, at least that's what his dad hoped for. But really, he had the Kung Fu dream. But instead of noodles or Kung Fu, it's about AI saving you hours of work. Today, I want you to try a couple small AI tasks and watch how fast it works. You'll see how business owners are using AI to cut through time-wasting tasks and freeing up their focus. By the end of this, you'll feel like you've just unlocked your secret business weapon. But here's the thing. Most business owners are just buried in their emails, social media posts that sat unwritten, or you need to follow up with clients, but there's never enough time. And that's when AI changes. That's when you wake up and realize, I've been doing this the hard way, and that's the AI dream. One business owner was spending an hour a day sorting emails. Now, ChatGPT helps them draft clear professional responses in seconds, so they can only focus on the important ones. Another used AI to generate weekly LinkedIn posts, weekly content in minutes instead of hours. And somebody else, they cut their customer service response time into half by using AI to generate templates. Now, these aren't high-tech people. They're people just like you. The only difference is they really tried it. So here's what I want you to do this week. Today, in the next 10 minutes, pick one task that slows you down. It might be replying to emails, making posts, or organizing ideas. Open up ChatGPT and type this simple prompt. I need help with XYZ task. Here's some of the information. Please give me a response that I can use immediately. Hit enter and see what it gives you. If it's not perfect, tweak the request. Say, try again, but this time do this, because the AI will learn from how you ask. And here's the reality. People are already using AI, and they're way ahead. They're getting through their work faster, reducing stress, and they have more time to do actual things like growing their business. Meanwhile, if you're still doing everything manually, you're working twice as hard, maybe 3 times as hard for the same. So here's my challenge. Try this right now. Drop a comment, tell me what was the first thing that AI saved you time on. And if you're stuck, join my AI community. I'll help you figure this out easily and quickly. Because once you wake up to the AI dream, there's really just no going back.